In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify B2B. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Before you begin, make sure your store has access to Shopify B2B features. Next, go to Customers and click Companies. Select Add Company to create a new B2B customer account. After that, enter the company details, including the company name, contact information, and company locations if needed. Then assign the customer contacts who will be placing orders. Now configure the company's settings. You can create custom price lists, set payment terms, choose tax exemptions if applicable, and assign the correct catalog for that company. Next, review your settings and save the company profile. Then invite your customer to activate their account and sign in to your B2B storefront. Finally, place a test order using the company account to make sure pricing, payment terms, and checkout are working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify B2B. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.